In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a slider in Webflow. By the end, you'll know how to find your slider, add slides, tune the animation, and style everything so it fits your design. First, open Webflow and head to your sites on the dashboard. From there, open your project in the designer by selecting Open in Webflow. Once the designer loads, locate the existing slider on your page. If you prefer using the navigator, use its search to quickly jump to the slider, then select the highlighted result. Click the slider on the canvas to focus it, and inside the component, choose one of the slides, like Slide 2, so you can clearly see changes as you make them. With the slider selected, open the Settings panel, the gear icon on the right. If you're not already in the slider settings, switch into it. You'll see controls specific to the slider component. Begin by adding a few new slides so you have content to work with. Click Add Slide, then click Add Slide again, and once more to create an extra slide. This gives you multiple states to preview while you configure behavior. Still in slider settings, set how the slides animate. Choose an easing curve that matches your site's feel, ease in out, or something snappier, and set the duration to control how long the transition takes. Shorter durations feel quick and energetic. Longer ones feel smooth and calm. Decide how users navigate. Toggle arrows on if you want left and right controls, and enable slide nav if you want clickable dots. These are great for both usability and orientation, especially on mobile. Next, open interactions to attach any motion or effects that should respond to the slider. Add a new interaction and choose the appropriate trigger so it runs at the moment you need, like when the slide changes. Then keep it simple to avoid overwhelming users. Now switch to the Style panel to refine the design. Under Layout, choose how the slider and its contents flow, flex or block, depending on your layout. Adjust spacing to fine-tune margin and padding so slides breathe without creating awkward gaps. In size, set width and height for consistency. A fixed height or a min height helps prevent layout shift as slides change. Under Position, choose how elements stack. Relative is typical, but absolute positioning can help center arrows or badges. Finally, in Typography, style the text within your slides. Font, size, weight, and line height to maintain readability and brand consistency. That's it. You've opened your project, selected the slider, added slides, tuned animation, enabled navigation, attached an interaction, and styled layout, spacing, size, position, and typography. You're ready to build polished, responsive slides.